Right, Sarah's Black Edition Brompton needed a bit of service. So one of the things, Sarah's this head bolt was loose and these bearings were just loose, so I've serviced that and tightened that, so your steering no longer wobbles when you put your brakes on. That's been done. Put your original wheel back on, tension the brakes up. So I've sorted that out, tyres all pumped up and everything. As far as the brake cables, I've serviced those, set them correctly, they're both done. Your back gears weren't working, so I basically tensioned up your gear tensioner there and got that all correct as well. Your back wheel was wonky, I've realigned that as well. I've serviced the back brakes for you, realigned them, and that's all done. And then what I've done was given the whole lot of complete clean over. I've cleaned the chain as well and taken it for a little bit of a test ride, and it's working lovely. So there you go, Sarah, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy your Brommy. It'll ride like new. Enjoy.